Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Ms. Bello Chioma, the coordinator of Anambra chapter with the Timothy Akano Foundation. I am here today on behalf of the founder, Dr. Chin Akano, to present a new sewing machine to Ms. Francisca Amarachi Simplicity as the winner of new brand sewing machine. Live long NTAF. Live long the Timothy Akano Foundation. Once again, congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah. And today I am grateful to Dr. Shin Akano, the founder of this Able Foundation, is the Timothy Akano Foundation, and to his lovely wife and supportive barrister Mrs. Obedeliwachi Akano, and to the whole entire NTAF, to my special chapter, Anambra State chapter. Kudos to you all. Thank you so much, Dr. Shin Akano. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so grateful. God bless you abundantly. Long
Amen.
live Enter. Long live is the Timothy Akano Foundation. Long live Anambra State chapter. Indeed, we rise
By lifting others.